Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making a vanilla buttercream cake. I have preheated my fan oven to 160 degrees and lined an H-in cake tin with grease-proof paper. The first thing I'm going to do is add baking powder into my flour and mix it together. In my bowl, I am going to mix together butter and sugar. My butter and sugar is now light and fluffy. Next, I'm going to add in 3 eggs, one at a time. I'm also adding in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Lastly, I'm going to add my flour and milk. When doing this, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of flour to 2 tablespoons of milk each time. I have measured half of my cake mixture into a jug. I am now going to pour it into my cake tin. My cake mixture is now going in the oven. I am going to cook it for 30 to 35 minutes. I am now going to make my buttercream icing. First, I'm going to sieve my icing sugar. I am now going to beat in my butter. I'm now going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. My cake has now cooled, so I am going to take my base of my cake and trim some of it so that it is flat for the other half to sit on top. Now that it is flat, I'm going to take some of my buttercream icing and lay it on top. I'm now going to take the top layer cake and place it on top. I am now going to place a thin coat of butter icing over the top and round the edge of my cake. I am now going to place this in the fridge for 20 minutes. Now my cake has been chilling in the fridge, I am going to add the rest of the icing on top. Finally, I am going to decorate my cake. You can decorate your cake however you like. I am using sprinkles for mine.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I just want to take a second to say thank you to my subscribers and all my viewers for watching my channel. I hope you enjoyed this week's YouTube video.